Good morning, everyone! Ayan, so ngayon mag-walking tayo. Punta kami sa my BSU. And sasama ko kayo. Let's go!
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
Yan, nandito na tayo sa BSU.
I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on
Ayan guys, dumating na yung mga damit ni Bebe Girl. Kasi nga, lumaki na siya. So, kailangan nating mag-upsize. So, here we go. Ay, ang haba pala niya. Good for 6 to 12 months to. So, ayan, medyo mahaba siya. Pero okay lang. Kasi nga, magagamit naman niya for the long run. Ayun, di ba? Ang gaganda ng mga ano natin. Okay naman yung quality ng tela. Sakto lang yung quality ng ano. Hindi siya manipis, hindi siya makapal. So, okay yan. 4 pairs. Magkakaiba yung ano, design. Well, I'm gonna show you the design. Cute nito, strawberry. Strawberry. Anong nakasulat? Lovely. Ayan. Mga long sleeve yung binili ko kasi approaching na ang January at Feb at medyo malamig. Or malamig talaga dito sa amin. So, ayan. Maganda yung pagkatahi ng mga ano niya. Mga stitches dito sa part na to. And so far, wala namang buhol-buhol. So, ayan guys. Ay! Bubudulin ko kayo. Lalo na sa mga ano, may mga pamangkin, ganyan. Or kahit nga sa mga anak natin. Okay ito. Itong yellow, medyo mas manipis siya pala. Ayan, compared with sa tela ng mga to, mas manipis ito. Ayan. So, nice. Mas bagay na yung mga brighter colors. So, bumili na ako ng ganito. Pero parang yung ito niya, yung part na to, ito yung medyo nag-ano, kapag nagdikit ng ganyan, wala na. Papangit na yung itsura. Pero may technique kasi dito pinaplansya ata to para mas dumikit pa siya. But anyway, ganyan. super duper happy ako dito. When it comes to quality, mas maganda yung quality nito compared with this. Nakikita ba? Ayo, mas maliwanag. Ayan, ganyan. Medyo mas makapal to kaysa ito compared with this. Kapag titingnan nyo, ganyan siya. Ganyan. Ito sa loob nito is ganyan. So, I can link yung mga to dun sa description box. So, kapag interested kayo, ganyan. At least, may ano tayo, may option. Mas mura ata kasi yung ganito. So, it depends talaga. Kapag yung mas mahal, medyo mas okay yung quality. But for this, pero okay na to for the age nila. Ganyan. Ang concern ko lang dito is yung kung matatanggal yung design. Pero cute naman yung mga design na nakuha natin. Ayan. Flower. Ganyan. Ayan. So, dalawang yellow and then dalawang ganito. Ano to? Peach. Para siyang peach na color. So nice. I'm happy with these. So, post tayo sa FB. Sa mga gustong mag-order, ganyan. Ang cute nila. Yan, happy naman ako dun sa mga nabili natin na gamit ng baby girl. And ayan, maglaban na tayo. Laban na natin. Ang unending nating labada. Yan, tapos na to.
My mother told me, don't sit here waiting for a sign. So I'm thinking maybe.
Uy! Yan, gising ng ating baby girl. So, it's already lunch. Painit lang natin yung mga ulam. Oo. Oo. Guys, kain na tayo. And this one is our ulam kahapon. 'Di ba? Masarap talaga yung white beans, lalo na kapag na pressure cooker siya kasi ang lambot niya and kahit yung karne. Ayan, in-order natin na medyas ay dumating na for our baby girl. Ayan. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, bilangin nga natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ba't parang kulang? So, yan yung dumating. So, ayan, kulang daw talaga yung na-send. Hindi naman sinabi sa akin earlier. So, we only got itong mga socks na to. Kasi yung isang set ng 5 pairs is hindi daw available. Pero maganda naman siya. Ayan. Medyo parang maliit to. Sakto lang sa paa niya. Yung in-order ko is good for 12 months old. Para din may allowance sana. Pero ang dumating is yung good for 6 months. Ayan. Ganyan siya. So, OOTD. Yan. Yan. Outfit check. Ganyan lang tayo. Ito lang yung bag natin. Kasi, madalian lang naman. And, ang hassle kapag kami lang. Tapos, ang dami kong dala. So, let it be like that. So, tara na nga guys. Kasi anong oras na?
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
Hanap tayo ng kakainan. Kasi we're hungry. Bago tayo magpa-reserve ng pagkain. Taas tayo. Mas madaming kainan sa taas.
Oh, oh, Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 la. Oh, oh.
Yan, lakad tayo. Pakyat.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again.
Bili tayo ng black bean paste kung meron dito sa Porta. So, lakad.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
One of this. Tuk, 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 tuk.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So
Yan guys, kakauwi lang namin and sobrang init. Namumula na tayo. But anyway, ayun. May baba itong isa.
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about it. Next day, it was easier than so.
Ito yung mga napamili natin kanina. Ayan, walang malaking ganito. So, dalawang ganyan yung kinuha ko. And also, magtutukbuki tayo. So, we got this one. And it's very soft. Medyo pinagpawisan na siya. And here, ayan guys. Pag naghahanap kayo ng mga pwedeng pang merienda sa Pasko guys, ayan. Mura lang to. So, this is 160 ata. And ito is 90 pesos. Pero sulit na siya kasi ayan, loaded and masarap. Let's eat. Wala pa si Habs. Baka medyo late siyang makakauwi. So, ay, nagdikit-dikit na sila. But anyway, Bale, pwede kayong mag-advance order sa kanila. Lalo na ngayong December since madaming nag-o-order talaga ng ganito. Last year nung pumunta kami, parang kailangan daw naka-reserve ka ganyan. Pero wala kaming reservation, so hindi na kami kumuha. Ngayon, nag-advance order na ako, so I think that's better. Masarap din to, guys. Ayun lang guys for today's video, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo dito sa paglalakad natin and all. And see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now! Patulugin na natin to.